Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I think we all agree that chutneys are the unsung hero of any Indian kitchen. They transform any meal to a flavor-packed sensation, right? So today I'm sharing some of my favorite chutneys with you, which are super easy to make and so yummy. Let's make this. So first we're making pesto, which is my personal favorite. It's completely flavor-packed and I love the fact that it has fresh herbs and it makes any dish taste amazing. Balzano is an Italian premium brand with 115 plus years of experience in home and kitchen. This Nutri Blender is an award winner by Silicon India in Best Performance and Design. Add the walnuts, garlic, olive oil and salt to the Balzano Nutri Blender and give it a quick blend. Add fresh basil leaves, parmesan cheese and a little more olive oil. Blend it again. It's hassle-free and everything gets done in less than a minute. It couldn't get any better. Next we have a super easy recipe which goes with idlis, parathas, dosas, basically anything and everything. Heat oil in a pan, add in garlic, peanuts and cumin seeds. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Add dried red chillies and cook for 2 more minutes. Adding this to my favorite Balzano Nutri Blender with some red chili powder and salt and a small sprinkle of sugar. Its powerful 1100 watt motor and universal stainless steel blades is perfect to tackle tough and dry ingredients. Blend this to a coarse mixture. Next up is a super yummy chutney, which is the roasted tomato chutney. It goes with basically anything. You can have it with dal, chawal, just with parathas or even spread it on bread. Let's make it. Cut the tomatoes in half, add oil to a pan with the tomatoes, sliced onions and ginger. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the tomatoes soften. Add in dried red chilies and salt and cook for 3-4 more minutes. I love that the Nutri Blender has double safety interlock and its leak-proof BPA jars which make it perfect for chutneys and sauces. Blend till it's smooth. You can never go wrong with a garlic chutney because you can use it for anything. All your street style chaats, your sandwiches, dhoklas, anything and everything. Add oil to a pan with some cumin, let it pop, add lots of garlic, soak dried red chilies, salt and black salt. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes, blend this up. The unique pulse feature of the Nutri Blender makes it perfect for Indian kitchens. Trust me, it's the best. Try these 4 mouth-watering chutney recipes and your taste buds will thank you later. And to make your culinary journey even more delightful, use the Balzano Nutri Blender. It's your kitchen savior, simplifying, blending and elevating your cooking. Get ready to savor the flavors with Balzano as your kitchen hero and happy cooking!